Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. iPhone user facing an issue, that is, after updating to latest iOS version, they lost cellular data connectivity for everything. They cannot browse, not able to connect to App Store, and everything like that. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start, please don't forget to subscribe. The first and basic method is enable and disable airplane mode. First, launch settings and enable airplane mode. Now force close the setting app and also force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until Apple logo appears. And if you're using old iPhone, then press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. After the forced restart, same, go back to settings and disable airplane mode. Now we go for solution number 2. First, launch settings, then tap on mobile or cellular data, scroll and tap reset statistics, and tap again reset statistics. Now we go for solution number 3, reset network settings. To reset network settings on iPhone, first launch settings, then we have to tap on general and tap reset. Now tap reset network settings, put iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm your action. Now we go for solution number 4, delete or disable VPN. To check that, first launch settings, then tap general and tap VPN and disconnect or delete VPN. Finally, we go for solution number 5, reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. For that, first we have to launch settings, then tap general and tap reset. Now tap reset all settings, iPhone passcode required, and tap again reset all settings to confirm your action. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.